Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore upsells in Shopify with ReCharge subscriptions step by step clearly. To restore upsells in Shopify with ReCharge subscriptions, begin by logging into your Shopify admin. Navigate to the Apps section on the left sidebar. Select ReCharge from your installed applications. Once the ReCharge dashboard loads, locate the Products tab at the top of the page. Click on Products to view your existing subscription products. Find the product for which you want to restore upsells. Click on that product to open its settings. Scroll down to the Upsell section within the Product settings. Check if the upsell feature is enabled. If it is not, toggle the upsell option to enable it. Next, define the upsell product you want to offer alongside the main product. You will see a field labeled Upsell Product. Search for the relevant product by typing its name. Select the product from the drop-down list that appears. Set any specific conditions for the upsell, such as quantity or discount. Review the settings to ensure they align with your business goals. Once everything looks good, click the Save button at the bottom of the page. Now, navigate back to the ReCharge dashboard. Select Settings from the menu on the left. In the Settings section, look for Checkout. Ensure that the checkout options are configured to allow for upsell offers. Review any additional settings that may affect how upsells are presented to customers. After making the necessary adjustments, save the changes. You may also want to test the upsell feature to confirm everything is functioning as intended. Visit your Shopify store and add the main product to your cart. Proceed to the checkout page to see if the upsell appears as expected. If the upsell is visible, you've successfully restored the upsell feature. If not, double-check your settings in the ReCharge app. Once confirmed, your upsell should now be ready to enhance your sales strategy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.